Hey, Andy here, back with a very important one, creating quests. I'm using our demo community hub here since I want to create some test content. And here's a look at the existing page. There aren't currently any quests. So let's head back to the admin panel and create one. I'm on the quest page here, and I'll head up to the upper right-hand corner and click New Quest. I have two options here, event-based quest or mini quest. And the short explanation for the difference between these two is that in event-based quests, you can have multiple steps and they have to end at some point. They have to have an expiration date. Mini quests are a single action and they can be evergreen. In this case, I'm going to click Mini Quest. And what I want people to do is follow Sesame Labs on Twitter. So I'll start out by uploading a cover image here and giving this a title. And the description here is optional, and I'm going to leave this blank because I think the title is pretty self-explanatory already. For group, I'm going to click Social Safari. These you can customize later, and groups control how the quests appear in what order on your Community Hub page. For the action, we already have follow specified here, but you could choose any of these. These are just the action that you want the user to take when they complete this quest. For Twitter username, I'll just paste in the URL of the Sesame Labs account, and it will parse out the username for me. The call to action button is the button that the user will see on this quest card, and it's already set to follow here because I've got my follow action specified up here. For reward, XP is always going to be calculated automatically, and this is based on the difficulty of the action we've selected above. Credits is totally optional. This is the currency that people get to spend in your community store. And in this case, let's say we'll give people 20 credits for completing this action. In the recurrence section, I only have one option here. Because a Twitter follow is a one-time thing, it only makes sense to have people do it once. But if I had selected a different type of quest action that could be repeated, I could set this up to repeat daily, weekly, or monthly, etc. And finally, in expiration, never is going to be the default here, but if I wanted to set this to expire after a certain duration or a certain date, I could set that up right here. I'm going to leave it as never and click Publish. Awesome, my quest is published. I can see it here on my quest page in the admin panel, and if I head to my Community Hub page and give it a refresh, I can see the quest is right here. All right, that's it for creating our first mini quest. See you in the next one.